Hello everyone, my name is Pratham and today I am gonna compare the Pakistani breakfast with the Canadian one. Let's start with the introduction of the Pakistan. The original name of Pakistan is Islamic Republic of Pakistan, which was given to the Pakistan after declaration of the Constitution in 1956. Pakistan is the second largest Muslim country. Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. In Pakistan, the Urdu is the official language, which is similar to the Hindi language. Now let's talk about some Pakistani cuisine. Pakistan follow the regional cooking method, that is, the mixture of Indian cooking and Afghanistan cooking. In Pakistan, spices are being used a lot, like the turmeric, red chili, black pepper, and chaat masala. Like most of the countries, Pakistan follows the three-meal pattern: breakfast, lunch, and a long evening dinner. In Pakistan, halal food guidelines are being followed. That means the meat of chicken, mutton, beef, fish, and everything else is allowed except the pork and the alcohol. These both are banned in Pakistan because of the Islamic rule. Now moving further to the breakfast. In Pakistan, breakfast is called nashta. People used to have the roti with the gravy of the meat. The roti is also called the naan. Some people used to have boiled eggs. Some in Pakistan, pranthas are also very famous, which is served with the beef. Whereas in Canada, people used to have eggs, fried pork sausages, bacon, and some used to have fried potatoes, pancakes with maple syrup, and cereals. In Pakistan, lassi and tea are very famous for the breakfast. Canadian people also used to have tea, but it depends on people on person to person at what time they used to like. In Pakistan, fruits are also being eaten in the breakfast. Now moving further, Pakistani people used to have different foods on their weekends and holidays. They used to have siri papaya, nihari, and also the halwa puri. The siri papaya is made of ingredients like beef, goat, sheep, and buffalo, whereas nihari is made of beef and it takes a lot of time to make it. Whereas in Canada, people used to have the regular breakfast meal, or sometimes they used to try the meals of different culture. Let's get to the summary. In in both the countries, the meat is used in a lot quantity. That means in both the countries, there are a lot of meat lovers. Talking about the spices, Canada used a very less number of spices than the Pakistani breakfast. Both the countries have a variety of dishes in the breakfast. Talking about the health, Canadian breakfast is way too healthy than the Pakistani, as Pakistani breakfast is made in a lot of oil and ghee, which is unfit for our body. These are some references. So this was my today's presentation comparing the Canadian breakfast with the Pakistani one. Thank you for watching.